Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll walk you through how to edit an MP3 file right on your Capcut. Whether you want to trim, adjust volume or add effect, Capcut makes editing audio super easy. Let's get started. First step is to open your Capcut and create a new project or continue an existing one. The next step is to go to audio and tap sounds or your music. Then select the MP3 file you want to use. Capcut will add it to your timeline below your video clip. To adjust the length, tap on the audio track and drag the end to trim it. If you want to split the MP3 at a specific point, move the play head to the spot and tap split. This is perfect for removing sections or syncing audio with different parts of your video. Another step is to sync and adjust timing. Move the audio track along the timeline to sync it perfectly with your video. You can also layer other sound or effects by adding multiple audio tracks. Once everything sounds just right, tap the export at the top right and you're good to go. And there you have it guys. With these simple steps, you've edited an MP3 file in Capcut. Thank you so much for tuning in and happy editing. Bye!